With the release of iOS 26.4, Apple has also pushed out tvOS 26.4, a quiet yet meaningful upgrade for Apple TV users. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. tvOS 26.4 brings smarter content discovery, cleaner audio, and most importantly, it gets rid of iTunes. The headline edition in tvOS 26.4 is Genius Browse, a new section in the Apple TV app that recommends shows and movies, and those are updated regularly based on your viewing preferences. In other words, the recommendation system keeps getting better. The more you binge, the smarter it gets. Plus, audio gets a serious upgrade as well. There's a new continuous audio connection setting that you can find in Settings, then Video, then Audio Format, then HDMI output. Remember the audio glitching when playback switches between formats like Dolby Atmos and stereo? Yeah, it fixes that. And for the iTunes, yes, it's gone for good. Apple's latest tvOS 26.4 update officially removes the pre-installed iTunes TV shows and iTunes Movies apps. Now everything is in the Apple TV app. It's a change that was long overdue. Rounding things out, subtitle styling gets a glow up too. You can now adjust caption size, appearance, and background transparency directly from the video player. No more wasting time diving into the settings section. The update's available for all Apple TV 4K and Apple TV HD models from 2015 onwards. You can install it in Settings under Software Updates and Systems. So, have you updated your Apple TV yet? Let us know in the comments. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.